I mean, I've been doing simulations of flows which are almost unmeasurable, like crystal growth. You can't put any measurement device in liquid silicon because everything burns. It's 1,500 Celsius temperature. And this is what is complicated, that we can't make too fast a progress because we are missing some data. But because computers have become more powerful, more accessible, like I can today use, let's say, even 1,000 cores at the cluster of Siemens, and I can then have 100 or so million cells. So I can do now, and there are many more people who can do detailed simulation of flows where we can learn something about the physics. And that was 10 or 15 years ago reserved for people at NASA, Ames Research Center, or some other big research centers where they had access to big computers. And these guys today work with grids with 100 billions of grid points or more. So they are always ahead of us. And when I say us, I mean practical engineers who do everyday engineering. But nowadays, even practical engineers have access to computing power, so they can get a more detailed insight into the flow. I know from industry that they now use 100 million cells is not an exception anymore in any bigger company, because they have big enough clusters. And with the recent development, things are becoming possible which were not possible before.